Formentor. Here you have it, the new CUPRA Formentor. The new CUPRA Formentor redefines who we are. Emotional, striking, and standing out of the crowd. So let me show you a bit all the details that we create. You can see the amazing front, right? A strong character. We love that. So you can see the high bonnet. So we create this high bonnet that make you feel kind of proud, to feel that you have the confidence to push the limits. As well, we have the center, we have the logo on the bonnet that create this sporty appearance, and then what we call the shark nose design. The shark nose for us is like breaking through resistance. That whatever happened to us, we will push the limits to create the best design ever. As well, something that is extremely iconic. So you have the triangular light signature. This will be something that will be transversal to all our models, and you can recognize the CUPRA in the day and in the night. On the lower, you can see that we put all the air intakes in the lower part to create this sporty appearance. And sometimes we like this unconventional, no? We say before as well how we can get this something always different, no? Something revolutionary. So we have even the fog lights in a totally different position to give this strong character to the new CUPRA Formentor. So now we go to the side. You can see we have an amazing car because I think it's something unique as well in the market. Why? Because somehow we are mixing two types of animals. We have in the lower part an SUV with these big wheels and big cladding, now darker, combined with a very fast hatchback design. And now, please check the colors. The colors, always we have a lot of work in the colors because we love it. We have the Century Bronze and the Encelados Gray. You can see that actually they are inspired on this raw nature, in these mineral stones, and you can feel it. And you can see how the lines are getting sharper as well. They emphasize the whole musculature of the new CUPRA Formentor. Now, follow to the rear. You can see still the first thing is the proportions. The proportions of the car, they are just amazing. You can see the small window, a very bold character on the rear end with a totally new bumper, very sharp and very progressive and characterful. Always we love the shoulders, no? The shoulders give you this sportiness that we love so much in CUPRA. But as well for us, the logo of CUPRA somehow represents like the heart of the car. And for this reason now, we have it illuminated in the center of the car to have this strong appearance of the new CUPRA Formentor. Ladies and gentlemen, a car that represents our brand values, our obsession to demonstrate that revolution is in our DNA. Welcome to a new CUPRA Formentor.
Lo que tú sientes se llama obsesión.